Hello, everyone. Thank you for being here. We are the Boldly team. I am Al Gross, the project manager.
My name is Caroline, and I am the design lead.
I'm Claudia, and I'm the research lead.
And I'm Ryan, the development lead.
We also had the help of our external team, comprised of researchers and developers in the College of Computing and Informatics.
We are so excited to share our senior project with you today, and it has been a long ride. We started this project in September 2018 for our Interactive Digital Media Junior Workshop, and we created a front-end prototype that showcased our user-centered design and won 2 awards. After 6 months, we still saw many opportunities for growth and refinement, so we teamed up with our talented external team and restructured to bring Boldly into our senior project. We are proud to announce that this past Tuesday, Boldly took first place in the corporate category and 3rd place overall in the CCI Senior Design Competition.
Introducing Boldly, a marketing platform that connects like-minded creators and brands.
Contrary to traditional marketing techniques, social media marketing allows brands to target specific audiences and gain their trust through relevance and reliability. In 2018, 87% of US consumers purchased a product because a company advocated for an issue they cared about. As consumers become more conscious in their shopping habits, marketing campaigns are shifting focus. Now more than ever, care is our greatest currency.
After researching the industry, we found a few issues. Existing tools do not prioritize your values and are only focused on their numbers. These existing tools, marketing platforms, lack equality because they're often brand-centric and have inaccessible requirements like large amounts of followers or high budgets. At Boldly, we recognize the passion and opportunities within the micro-influencer market. That is, people that have less than 100,000 followers. Studies show that leaders within smaller communities are making an impact that has making an impact that reaches much further than their followers. On average, a smaller community has a greater engagement than equates to a more engaged audience.
And that's where we come in.
Meet Lynn. She's the brand manager of Conjure Wellness, a local holistic therapy brand. They've recently released a new product and want to explore the world of social media marketing.
This is Natasha, a meditation specialist with an engaged Instagram audience. She wants to work with brands that are making spirituality more accessible.
Based on their mutual values and interests, Conjure Wellness's campaign pops into Natasha's match feed.
So she decides to apply.
After the application appears on Lynn's campaign manager, she reviews Natasha's profile.
It's a match!
With Boldly's collaborative contract tool, they're able to easily negotiate the terms of their partnership.
And quickly get it signed. It's time to make an impact.
Connect, collaborate, and monetize with Boldly.
Let's grow together.
Our product has a unique user experience tailored to the needs of both brands and content creators in order to promote a collaborative process. Let's take a further look at the functionality of Boldly.
Process that quickly creates a Boldly profile. After securely connecting their Instagram account, users can further customize their in-app experience.
Rather than focusing on high budgets or follower counts, Boldly runs on a personalized matching algorithm based on mutual values and interests. This allows like-minded brands and creators to connect and form more meaningful partnerships.
Our intention is to bring more transparency and communication to social media marketing. One specific pain point we identified was processes surrounding contracts. Through our innovative negotiation tool, users can easily collaborate and sign digital agreements.
Boldly came into fruition through collaborative meetings, copious research, and many iterations of usability testing. Our design process followed an agile workflow. That means our process was iterative and showcased a human-centered design, not only within our app, but also within the structure of our team. By following this process, we have created a platform that is transparent, accessible, and familiar.
In order to create a seamless experience for our users, we put a heavy emphasis on qualitative and quantitative research. This consisted of investigation into the social media marketing industry and existing tools. In the fall term, the four of us took a deeper look into usability surrounding legal agreements. Our findings validated our initial goals and introduced us to some pertinent information that helped guide further research throughout the year.
Much like our general workflow, our research followed a cyclical process. Each major feature began with user interviews to give us insights, which helped us identify the problems to address and understand how potential Boldly users behave. Using our new understanding of our audience, we moved on to whiteboarding possible design solutions, and after getting our initial ideas down, we would conduct exercises with users to find out what features they would like to see within the app. For our team, design is a collaborative process filled with whiteboarding exercises, detailed sketches, and post-its galore. Based on these work sessions, we figured out how to incorporate users' input into our product before moving on to the more polished design stages of creating an interactive prototype showing how our app functions.
As we developed the prototype, we conducted usability testing sessions to ensure that the flow of our app was natural. When key themes were identified, we went back to the drawing board and continued testing until all issues were resolved. It was, for example, through conversations with potential users that we found the perfect length, order, and format of our onboarding survey. Once elements were finalized, we documented them in a design system for handoff to the development team.
Throughout the year, the development team was in constant communication with us, hard at work on documenting and developing our designs. After researching and comparing our options for development tools, we decided on using Amazon Web Services to host our servers, PostgreSQL to build our relational database, the Phoenix Elixir framework for our backend code, and we decided on a React Native frontend for flexible multi-platform development on iOS and Android. Here's a simplified view of our system architecture. The user interacts only with the React Native presentation layer, while most of the business logic, matching logic, security, data processing, and data storage is handled on the backend. The team also made use of many tools made for working collaboratively. For organizing tasks and tickets, we used ClickUp. For version control and organizing development, we used GitHub. For shared document storage, we used Google Drive. And for designing the prototype together, we used Sketch and Figma. For team communication, we used a Slack workspace throughout our process.
The opportunity to continue a group project over 2 academic years brought us many lessons. Working across 2 colleges had its challenges. Each team had different processes and vocabulary, so establishing clear communication and efficient management systems that work for the full team was very important.
We always try to stay on top of the curve and make realistic plans, but inevitably we had to deal with hard decisions such as scope cuts and unexpected changes, like a global pandemic. The experience of working on a project for 2 years taught us invaluable lessons about project management, multidisciplinary teamwork, and above all, perseverance.
In the future, we hope to explore additional opportunities that exist within the app. One goal is to integrate more social media platforms into Boldly so that you can connect and run campaigns on platforms such as TikTok, YouTube, and Twitter.
We would also like the support of a legal team so we can better protect our users and ourselves when dealing with agreements and contracts.
Finally, we would like to say thank you to our 3 advisors, Troy, Jeff, and Rob, for guiding and inspiring us along the way. In addition, we would like to express our sincere gratitude to all who participated and helped us throughout this incredible experience. We hope to see you at the expo.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.